Welcome back to AI Tools for You. Today we're releasing part 2 of our AI podcast series, and the topic is one that can completely change how people run their businesses. 5 AI tools that can replace a full team for just $0 to $20 a month. To explore this properly, we have a special guest with us today, our new expert in AI for business, Alex Carter. Alex, welcome to the show. Before we jump into the tools, Alex, I want to ask something more general. You've been working in AI automation for years. Are you actually seeing businesses replace entire teams with AI now? Or is this still something people just talk about?
Thank you so much for having me. I'm really excited to be here. The tools we're discussing today can save people hundreds of hours, reduce costs dramatically, and allow even one-person businesses to operate like full companies. It's absolutely happening. Many businesses have already replaced 5 to 10 roles with AI. AI doesn't get tired, doesn't delay work, and runs non-stop. The key is simply choosing the right tools, and that's exactly what we're going to break down today. The first tool is Perplexity AI. It works like a complete research department. It can analyze data, summarize long articles, break down competitors, conduct market research, and provide citations. It replaces 2 to 3 researchers easily, and the best part is that it's free. For content creation, the best option is ChatGPT with GPT-4o Mini or GPT-5 Mini. For about $20 a month, you get a full writing and content strategy team. It can write blogs, scripts, emails, captions, SEO content, product descriptions, ad copy, and more. It replaces writers, editors, and planners in seconds. For design, Canva AI is unmatched. It creates thumbnails, posters, ads, logos, brand kits, and presentations instantly. With templates and AI design assistants, Canva removes the need for a graphic designer entirely, and it does all of this for free or with a very low-cost upgrade. For video editing, the strongest tools are CapCut AI Studio and Clap.app. They automatically edit long videos, remove silences, add subtitles, sync audio, adjust pacing, and generate viral short clips. What used to take hours of editing now takes seconds, effectively replacing an entire editing team. For customer support, TDO AI and ManyChat AI are excellent. They respond to messages, answer questions, guide customers, process basic orders, and provide 24/7 support. These tools eliminate the need for a dedicated support team and ensure customers get instant responses.
Alex, this is unbelievable. So with just $0 to $20 a month, someone can literally replace multiple teams, research, writing, design, video editing, and support, and run an entire business alone?
Exactly. With the right AI tools, one person can run research, content, design, editing, and support all by themselves. AI isn't here to replace people completely. It's here to give individuals the power to operate like full teams. This is one of the biggest opportunities for small businesses today.
That was incredibly valuable. Alex, thank you so much for joining us today. And to everyone listening, if you want part 3 live demos of these tools or step-by-step tutorials, let us know in the comments. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow AI Tools for You. We'll see you in the next episode.